Hello everyone, over here from Kearys BMW and Mini in Little Island, County Cork. Today we have a 2020 BMW 530e. This finished in a beautiful silver colour. This specific model is a 2-litre plug-in hybrid sitting on 17-inch V-spoke alloy wheels. You do have the LED headlights, beautiful front kidney grille here with the chrome detailing. A look at the interior, we can see that it's finished in a beautiful black leather with the aluminum trim detailing. You do have ambient lighting throughout the cabin. Seats are electronically controlled with lumbar support. BMW eDrive with fluid Bluetooth connectivity for your Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. 2-zone climate control, heated seats in the front, 2 cup holders. Automatic transmission with different drive modes, traction on and off, parking sensors as well as auto hold. And you do have your navigation, electronically adjusted steering wheel, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters just behind for manual or sports mode, and you have electric folding mirrors with different seating positions. Overall, a very comfortable cabin. A look at the back, we can see that it's quite spacious for the passengers too. You do have 2 fast chargers as well as individually controlled climate for the back. For further information, please give us a ring at 021 500 3600. Thank you.